Yeah, hi guys. So today we will create a Vite project in less than 2 or 3 minutes. Trust me guys, this is way faster than the common npm create React app. So what I will do, I will just move on to the website of Vite and I will just scroll down and select this command, and I will move on to my terminal and open git bash from here. You can select it from here and I will just paste this command and press enter. So this will create my React Vite project. It will take some time, but trust me guys, this is way faster than npm create React app. It will ask me the project name. I will just write Vite project 1, and then it will ask me a framework React. I will select JavaScript. Okay, and I will just open my folder where it has been created. I have to open my terminal again. Okay, now I will install my node modules. So to install your node modules, this is the command npm install, and it will automatically install your node modules in this folder. It is way faster than create React app, and you can see it is not taking a much longer time. Okay, so you can see my node modules are installed. Now what I will do, I will just move on to the package.json, and there you can see in your dev command it is written Vite. So I will write npm run dev. So in React app you guys were doing npm run start. In Vite we have to do npm run dev, and our Vite project has been created. You can see guys, this is way faster than React app. Okay, in later on videos we will see how to create a full Vite project, so stay tuned.